Welcome to our video tutorial on how to download and install TrikdisConfig using the Microsoft Edge browser. Let's get started. Open your Microsoft Edge browser and navigate to the Trikdis.com website. Once you're on the website, locate and click on the Downloads section. In the Downloads section, you will find a link to the latest version of TrikdisConfig. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. After clicking the download button, a drop-down section will appear in the upper right corner of your browser. In this drop-down, you will see a Save As button. Click on it. Choose the desired directory where you want to save the installation file. Select the appropriate directory and click Save to begin the download. Once the download is complete, you may receive a message about a potentially harmful program. In the same drop-down menu where you clicked Save As, you will see 3 dots. Click on the dots to open a sub-menu and select Keep. Another message appears. Click on Show More and then select Keep Anyway. Now, you have 2 options. You can either open the installation file directly from the browser, or you can navigate to the directory where you saved the file and open it from there. When the Windows Protected Your PC window appears, click on More Info and then press Run Anyway to proceed with the installation. Follow the instructions provided by the Install Shield wizard to complete the normal installation of the TrikdisConfig program. Once the installation is completed successfully, you are ready to start using the TrikdisConfig program. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that the Protegus 2 application, available for download on Google Play and the App Store, also provides advanced programming options in the Advanced Settings section. This offers a convenient way to remotely program and troubleshoot equipment. We hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process of downloading and installing TrikdisConfig. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask. Goodbye.